Here is a Toyota CHR. To access the reverse light bulb, we need to open up the hatch. Now once the hatch is open, right over there is the access panel, and to take it off you will need a flathead screwdriver and put it right in that slot there to pry the panel off. The panel is gonna pop off. Now inside there is the bulb holder. Just grab it and twist it left to loosen it, and out it comes. To get the bulb out, just grab the bulb and pull it out straight. You may have to wiggle the bulb a little bit, but it'll come right out. The bulb size is 921. Check the link in description to buy the new one from Amazon and get the new bulb and push it down there to secure it. When you put the bulb holder back in the light, you may have to do some twisting and turning before it just drops in. And this may take a few seconds, so be patient with it. But once it drops in like this, okay, good. Now just twist it right to lock it in place, and we're done. Now get the panel, and this panel has two clips. So the side with the two clips which are sticking out, that goes in first. Get that in first. Now just align the rest of the panel and press it down to secure it, and that is pretty much it. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory.